FunnelVio is a cloud-based software that helps you to create conversion-focused marketing funnels within a click. With the help of FunnelVio, you can create different kinds of funnels like sales funnel, lead generation funnel, check-in and check-out pages, and many more without any coding or technical skill. It's a complete system that provides you funnel building, membership site creation, lead generation, email marketing, conversion tracking, A/B testing, website hosting and many more. So, it's a tool that every online business owner and marketer must need. About FunnelVio Creator. This fantastic tool FunnelVio is developed by Neil Napier and his partner Simon Warner. Neil and Simon both are very talented internet marketers and make a fortune through affiliate marketing and product launching industry. Neil Napier is the founder of KV Social. It's a $1 million social media marketing agency. Through his company he grows several startups and $1 million business. Some of the best software launches of Neil and Simon are Content Gorilla, TabEngage, MailEngageX, Curation Lab, Email Ramp, Legmo2, MailVio etc. This time Neil Napier comes with an amazing sales funnel builder that's going to be blockbuster. Complete features details of FunnelVio. Here I will describe complete features of FunnelVio in a very detailed way, so let's check. 1. Very easy to use interface. 2. Plug and play, a complete product delivery system with all 4 options: email, redirect URL, file download, KPDN. 3. Up to 100,000 visitors per month, unbeatable in this category. 4. Made point and click, easy to serve marketers across all experience levels. 5. Real-time funnel visualization enabled. 6. Advanced pixel perfect drag and drop editor. 7. No coding or technical skills required. Fully web-based. Just log in and profit. 8. Seamless social and business integrations. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Skype, major autoresponders, Google Calendar and many more. 9. Fast and furious pre-created blocks built on Google Cloud Pro. For faster implementation and loading to increase profit by 57%. 10. Fully responsive, mobile-friendly fast-loading pages. 11. Goal tracking, no external split testing and tracking tools needed. 12. Get quick stats per funnel page, published status, active split test status and a lot more. 13. Bar and graphics to show revenue, sales and most valuable customers for one-glance analysis. 14. Create unlimited funnels and pages. 15. Advanced technology has already served more than 20 million page visits. 16. Pick and use 200 plus pre-done modern design pages to get you started immediately. 17. Built-in card and reporting system to sell products with PayPal and Stripe. 18. Supports 5 pricing types: one-time, subscription, free, upsell, downsell and cross-sell for maximizing profits and conversions. 19. Built-in page importer, import any page online and build your next page in minutes. 21. Click share, clone, publish, unpublish, delete, and archive funnels single or in bulk. 21. Create clone pages in multiple languages with the built-in drag and drop editor for non-English speaking audience and skyrocket sales. 22. Create and customize buttons and coupons to skyrocket conversions. 23. Also includes a 5-step guide to creating your first product and a new funnel guide. 24. Special launch offer, grab the commercial license without upgrading. Above are the complete features that is offered by FunnelVio currently. Now let's move to the next section of FunnelVio review, where I will give you its complete working process. Complete working process of FunnelVio. Guys, here I will show you complete step-by-step working process of FunnelVio that helps you know more about this tool. Using FunnelVio is super easy. You can start a campaign within a minute. First, log in to FunnelVio and you will see below looking interface. Step 1. Pick template, import a page, create from scratch. Step 2. Customize based on your needs. Step 3. Hit publish to go live. Above is the simple 3-step process to start with FunnelVio. Well, let's come to the next section of FunnelVio review, where I will show you who must go for this smart funnel builder. Who should go for FunnelVio? Funnel and landing page is the backbone of every business, so it's a tool for any kind of businessman and online entrepreneur. But here I will special mention all the professionals who must go for FunnelVio. Equals all types of business owner. Equals online entrepreneurs. Equals email marketer. Equals affiliate marketers. Equals agency owner. Equals bloggers. Equals product creators. Above are the professionals who must go for FunnelVio. Now let's come down to the next section of FunnelVio review.